Alright, today is 3rd of June 2020. We are now live trading for mini S&P June contract 2020. So at this moment, as you can see, we have entered for the night session, US night session. So we did receive one short signal based from my live Telegram channel to go short at 31.17, just right before the opening, 6 minutes before the opening. Alright, so the AM is because I'm 12 hours ahead. Alright, so based from this signal, we have entered the market at a short sell 31.17. Let's go back to the chart, 31.17, and yeah, market looks good. So we have a profit 140. I'm using a micro account, so the target profit is 31.07 based from my live Telegram channel. 31.0750. So let's hope things will have a good. So I will exit 7 lots of micro at 31.07 point. Where is it? Okay, from 50. So 7 lots to go by. Alright, maybe profit good enough, 140 early in the morning. It's not much. I'm supposed to enter with mini S&P, normal mini S&P trade, but I accidentally entry with the micro. So I just jump in during the market open. Suddenly I realize the profit is very low. Then we just see this one is a micro account. Okay, never mind. But after all, the target is 31.07.17, which is 05, which is 50, which is 10 points below our entry. That's the target. So current profit is 122 US dollar. Supposed to use supposed to use normal S&P account, but as for now, still waiting. The stop loss is 31.29 or 31.30, which is yesterday high. But as for today, we are expecting a short position for the market to go further down. So 31.07 is the pivot line. This is a blue line. You will not see it, but you will see it later. So okay, so there's a pivot line over here, so that's the target for now, and 10 points below our entry. So this is a unnormal condition. So based from my live Telegram channel, I already mentioned that this is abnormal condition, because normally we only send out the signal at 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. New York time, but due to the heavy overbought on the ES situation, I just sent out one signal during the night session, but order already been filled. So let's hope we have a good profit for this one. Still waiting for the good TP. Looks good so far. Right, there's a blue line over here, 31.07. You can see this is the pivot line, which is our TV target. So our entry is just nice at 31.17 before the market open, just right at the market opening. So let's hope the price will go around this area and move to the TP targeted. So the next one is the mini S&P. The left chart is the micro S&P. So accidentally I did enter for micro S&P. Alright, so based from my indicator, every market is pointing to downwards movement. Russell 2000, Nasdaq 100, and as well for mini S&P, all pointing for a short sell position. As well for crude oil, but we didn't receive any good signal last night. But for for this night session, US session, so all pointing downward except natural gas looks like it tried to go for a bullish. For soybean, also short sell, but soybean I didn't subscribe the data feed, so there's a delay. But for Russell, the others are subscribing the data feed, so was a good one. Okay, let's go back to the chart. Alright, looks good. Still profit $140. We should earn more by entering more lots, but this is the entry I just managed to insert in. Yesterday night session was a good one. It was a bullish after all, a heavy trade from the S&P, but this one is not counted as a signal. Only this one I managed to get signal. Okay, $166 under micro account. 175 looks good. So I'll pause for a while. Once the price hit the bottom of the targeted TP, then we'll resume later on. Traders resume back again. So based from the current situation, there's a pullback on the price. As you can see from this chart, we did good during the opening and go short until 31.11. Some of you already exit the market with a good profit. As for me, I still haven't exit yet, even though the profit is good enough, 140 if I'm not mistaken on the profit, but try to wait more further down. And this is the pivot line I mentioned just now. You can see there's a blue line over here, blue horizontal line. Let me enlarge it so you can see it better. Okay, so I try to squeeze the signal in one place. Okay, so hopefully you can see it better. So my profit targeted is just right above the pivot line, the blue line over here. So now we are waiting. Hopefully the price will go another round to the downside, and I have queue another possible entry at 31.13. This one you just want to enter just before the breakout, something like that. And the real trade for you who have missed out, so already re-enter again at 31.17 over here. Alright, so as for yesterday trade, let's take a look. Okay, this one is a result from yesterday trade. So this is the purchase and sale I've done yesterday. Alright, so overall we have 3 units, 3 lots position size from mini S&P with the profit of $812.50, and for micro account is a profit total of $163.75. so in total, yeah, I think this one is a losses. Yeah, from MES, the micro is a losses, minus, but for this mini S&P is the profit. So yesterday profit is 648.75. so you can check in my video for 2nd of June 2020. I have shared it in my channel, YouTube channel, so just search for the date 2nd of June, so you will see the profit target. So right, so I just withdraw all my money from last week, so now maintaining the account around 1000 to 2000 and try to grow it one more time. Alright, so 648 a profit, commission around 76 and so on. I think it was a good day yesterday. Alright, let's go back to the entry. So there's a possible entry at there's a possible another signal soon, but as for now, profit around $35 with 7 lots micro account. The highest just now is 140 at 3111.75. So as you see earlier in this video, this was a good exit actually, if you are not greedy. So but for me, I'm based on from my targeted price level, which is at 3108.50. so let's wait until the price came over here. So there's a additional lot position size add in, or some of you already re-enter at the same price level, or take profit and then re-enter again at the same price level. Both already profit. Okay, if you do that kind of strategy. Alright, so we'll pause for a while and resume later on.
Alright, so we resume back again. So based from the current situation, we have just complete our positions. So I was away at this moment, and we did short early this morning during the open of the market at 31.17. This yellow triangle, and now seems like the market have just go towards our direction of the short sell, and target is 31.07, which is at this pivot line. Now already been hit. We are entering a London session, but for US Asia session we have just completed, or US night session we just completed. And I did add one position over here to short sell another 3 lots. No, then accounted for micro S&P 10 lots in total for this trade, and total profit of $392.50. And this was a good profit for us today. There's no entry for US session, but for US night session, luckily we have one, because the market have go for overbought last night, so there's a bit hard to find the entry, so much more safer to do entry at the opening. So this is under special condition, and yeah, 10 points in profit overall, based from my live Telegram channel, so you can check earlier in this video. Alright, so we end this video. Thank you for watching. There's a lot of link in description below, might be helpful for you guys, and you want to join my live Telegram channel, just click the link and follow the instruction. Anyway, anything, just ask. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.